You want to build the simulator of your dreams, but you don't have an unlimited budget for a custom installation. The Indoor Golf Shop has you covered with their extensive lineup of enclosures. In this video, I'm going to break down their 3 options that can accommodate just about any room size or budget that you have. And best of all, these are all expertly designed so you can quickly install them without any of the hassle. Let's first start with their flagship model, the SIG Premium Golf Simulator Enclosure. This is their best-selling enclosure, and you can think of it as the gold standard, especially the SIG 10, which is going to fit most home setups. So you've got your choice of 3 sizes, the SIG 8, the SIG 10, or the SIG 12. This helps accommodate different widths ranging from about 8 feet to 12 feet. Additionally, the SIG 12 is going to add an extra foot of ceiling height at 9 feet and 4 inches. But the best part about the SIG Premium series is the quality of materials and, more importantly, the ease of setup. Their premium impact screen is included in each of these models, and it's an industry leader with third-party testing to prove it. You're going to get a crystal clear image from your projector, noise protection, a nice gentle ball return, and most importantly, durability that's going to last for years. I've got the screen behind me in my simulator, and I've hit thousands of shots, and it looks exactly the same as the day I first got it. The impact screen can even withstand ball speeds of up to 250 miles per hour for all of you long drive competitors. And all of their enclosures now come with the option to upgrade to their new gray screen, which is perfect for rooms that have more natural light, and you can still get that crystal clear image. But that's not the only benefit of these enclosures. If you're like me and you struggle changing a light bulb, all of their premium enclosures come with crystal clear instructions, and just about anyone can assemble them. Each kit comes with all of the foam padding and protective material you need, and an easy to install frame system, push pin poles, ball bungee connectors, and the surround material. It's going to look like a professional did it for a fraction of the cost. But let's say you're more of a DIY enthusiast who's a bit more cost conscious. Then the DIY Golf Simulator Enclosure is another great option for you. It's going to include all of the components of the SIG enclosures except for the pipe frame. The piping can be sourced from a local hardware store or purchased from the Indoor Golf Shop's website. More importantly, you have a ton of sizing options for whatever room you're looking to install, whether it's a bedroom in your house or your garage. The DIY enclosures are available in 10 different size configurations across 4 different projector aspect ratios, so they've got you covered everywhere. These kits include the high-end SIG Pro Premium Impact Screen, pipe connectors, foam padding, and the surround material and ball bungees. But these do not include the pipes. Once again, they are sold separately. Now let's move on to another enclosure option. Let's say you have a larger residential install, or maybe you own a commercial facility. The Indoor Golf Shop also offers commercial enclosures to suit this market. They've got 6 different sizes with multiple depth options ranging from 5 to 15 feet that once again can accommodate any kind of setup. These are all designed to be the sturdiest and the most high-end option in their enclosure lineup. A new design feature that they just added removes the need for a bottom pipe, which gives the enclosure a more immersive experience. So as you can see, whether you're a DIY enthusiast on a budget or you have a commercial simulator business, the Indoor Golf Shop can help you build any enclosure for any application. Now, if you want to learn more about any of these options, you can check out their website at shopindoorgolf.com, or feel free to reach out to their team of experts to help you make your decision. All simulator enclosures are now 20% off at the Indoor Golf Shop. These deals won't last much longer, so take advantage and build the simulator of your dreams.